On today's episode of ShyGotEm on Cam, we have a lady who was passed out at the intersection, and the cops pulled up and found her sleeping. They had to bang the baton and everything to wake her up. So let's see, is she sober or is she drunk? We gonna get into it.
You want to talk to her? See what's going on?
Hello, man. Officer Davis, walking with your service. Just tell me about what's going on tonight. Wait, where? This way? You drinking now? Two days early, what time? 11?
Alright, this is what we'll do, okay? Why don't you put her in the back of your squad and I'll move this car out of traffic so we can be out of traffic, okay? I'm gonna park it right over there where the semi's at and just park behind me, okay? Is it, the keys are in it, ma'am?
I'll put it on the roof.
Okay, put it on the roof. Is the key in it? Okay. Was the car running at all?
It was.
It was?
She was passed out. I had to put it in park.
Oh, so the foot was on the brakes? So, okay. Yeah.
It was just one, but I only saw it at the
Yeah, let me move this thing. We get out of traffic.
If you couldn't hear what was going on because the volume was a little low, pretty much the officer asked the lady what was going on, and she was just saying that she was really tired. So now we're about to get into...
I'm going to have to do some tests on you to make sure that you're okay to operate. So, just going to have you step out the vehicle, step in front of the house real quick, okay?
Dispatch. For this walnut, call and see.
You update the plate already?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright, yeah, just follow my partner's instruction here. Let's go give some.
Alright, man, I should you stand with your feet together and put your arms by your side, please. So the first test I'm going to do is going to be an eye test. It's going to be to check your eyes. You got any head injuries at all? You have any eye issues? Okay, so I'm going to put my finger right here. I need you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, you understand? Just follow my finger all the way up.
Send me a tow on the Christian home.
5165.
Alright, so the next test I'm going to do is going to be called a walk and turn test. I need you to picture a straight line right in front of you. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 9 steps on the line that you picture out in front of you. And while you're taking those steps, I need you to count the steps out loud, okay? You're going to count 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Keep your arms by your sides and make sure that you're looking at your feet while you're walking and counting. You okay?
Yeah.
It's going to look like this.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Then you're going to stop, plant your foot, take a series of small steps and turn around on the same line that you picture out in front of you. And then you're going to walk back again like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. You understand? Okay. You may begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
so the next test you're gonna do is gonna be called a one leg stand. So you're gonna plant your feet like this and put your arms down by your side, okay? I need you to stand like that while I explain this to you. So with your foot planted and your arms by your side, you're gonna pick one of your feet, any foot that you choose. You're gonna raise it up off the ground 6 inches, okay? And while you got your foot 6 inches off the ground, I need you to look at your foot and count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. You understand? It's gonna look just like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop, okay? You may begin.
Okay, you
Don't
stop.
worry about it.
No.
That's fine.
I don't want you to follow her.
Yeah.
No, I'm just.
I understand, but I just don't want you to follow her. So it's gonna cause another issue.
Yeah. So, I'm Deputy Bang, okay? What I have here is a PBT, okay? Or a pre-level breath test, okay? How much have you had tonight? This morning?
I drank like 3 beers earlier,
How long ago was this?
like an hour ago.
An hour ago? You're just going home, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
like
Alright, okay. Take a deep breath, take Ceylon's tube and blow like you're blowing up a balloon, okay? Blow, 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 blow. Yeah, blow, okay? Blow, 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 blow. Okay, you can stop. Do you know the legal limits in State of Wisconsin?
6.
08. Okay. Right. You are. This is roughly where you're at. 0.20. Okay. Almost 3 times the legal limits. Okay. So you have a little way too much to drink this morning. Okay. What my partner's gonna do? We're gonna have you turn around. Okay. Turn around. We're gonna place you under arrest for OWI. Okay.
There's no way I'm making it.
Have you ever been arrested before, ma'am?
Yes, this is my third DUI. There's no way I'm making it.
There's no what?
No way I'm making it. What do you mean?
Okay.
Step in front of the car real quick. Put your thumbs down real quick. Put your thumbs down. Point them towards the ground. Point your thumbs towards the ground. Yep, just like that. I don't want to hurt your wrist.
This young lady was arrested for driving while intoxicated. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. She's innocent until proven guilty. Always remember that. And click the video on the screen now.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.